Hey, Chris, this is Johnny. I understand that you want to tell us some great success stories here with Teach Me Home Loans, but do me a favor and let us in on what it was like for you to do a loan before you got the Teach Me Home Loan system.
Ooh, Johnny. I mean, searching for the loan used to be a nightmare.
Why?
Well, obviously what's going on in the housing market. I mean, there are just a lot of shady deals that were being done. There are a lot of dishonest people out there. You call three guys, you get three different numbers on the same loan in the same, 4 or 5 day period. No consistency, no sense of trust. I mean, it's very hard to find somebody you trust. It was an absolute nightmare, and I was stuck. There wasn't anything I could do except write it out.
How did it make you feel?
I'm sorry?
How did it make you feel?
How did it make me feel? It made me feel terrible. It was an embarrassing, aggravating, frustrating, out of my control type of experience. It was the worst.
Well, I think a lot of people probably feel that way, Chris. I don't think you're alone. But now you've used the Teach Me Home Loan system. Tell us how that made you feel going through the step-by-step process.
Amazing, to use one word. Empowered, confident.
Why? And we don't want to.
What I liked most about Teach Me Home Loans is that it just walks you right through the process, step by step, clearly. Here's the numbers. Here's the rates. Here's the payoff. What do you do next? A very simple, methodical process to make the consumer feel empowered and knowledgeable that you're not going to get screwed on seeking out a new home loan.
Yeah, that's got to be a good feeling. I mean, that just has to be a great feeling when you really feel like you're in control, like you're in the driver's seat. It says here, too, that through the whole process, you saved like a bunch of money on using the Teach Me Home Loan system. But what's the word I'm looking for? How can you describe that? Just sort of express like the difference between that. I mean, you had done a loan before with the Teach Me Home Loans product, and you've done a loan after it.
John, I mean, I pulled up my HUD form before on what the last transaction was. I compared it to the most recent transaction and looked at what the fees were, what the loan values were, what the what everything added up to, and it was a bigger loan, and I still saved like $6,000 in fees.
Wow, that's pretty incredible.
I mean, that's the real number. We got a better loan, a higher loan with better rates, lower fees, and I still saved $6,000.